Hello everyone, good morning. How are you today? Good? I am also good, thank you. Here, I would like to present my draft journal, but before getting to presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Bagat Cahyamadi who is a student from 11 Maret University from the Mechanical Engineering Education Study Program. I think that's enough for the introduction. Let's go to the next section, which is presenting my journal, pyrolysis of biomass, mixture of coconut fiber and rice husk waste with polypropylene plastic. Okay, the background of the research is that the increase in population affect energy consumption to meet daily needs, causing depletion of fossil energy reserve. Coconut fiber and rice husk have great potential among the great potential of biomass that can be utilized in Indonesia because the waste from processing this material is still not optimized for use. In addition to biomass waste, plastic waste is also a problem due to environmental pollution caused by the accumulation of waste, especially plastic waste from human activities in daily life. Proper processing of plastic waste allow in utilization as a source of hydrocarbon, an important raw material for the chemical and energy. In another way, to provide at a value from this waste is by pyrolysis processing to produce renewable energy, which is certainly more environmentally friendly. Pyrolysis is the process of decomposition of material at high temperature in absence of air or with limited air. This process uh, can produce oil as one of the product that can be used as renewable energy source. This description is the basis for conduction research on pyrolysis of a mixture of biomass waste of coconut fiber and rice husk with PP plastic. Next, the research was conducted in two locations. Point one, Laboratory of Mechanical Engineering Education Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, 11 Maret University, Surakarta, as a place for pyrolysis oil production, distillation process, and volume testing, yield, yield value, viscosity, as well as visual and color observation of pyrolysis oil. Point two, chemistry sublab of integrated laboratory of 11 Maret University as a place to test the density of pyrolysis oil. The method used in the research is the experimental method, and the research sample is the result of testing the quantity and quality of pyrolysis oil from a mixture of coconut fiber and rice husk with PP plastic use 5 variation in the composition ratio. Next, for the research instrument, we clarify the research products picture which contain the following. In the first, we start with literature study, preparation of tool and material. After that, we continue to prepare coconut fiber waste, rice husk, and PP plastic. After being prepared, we continue with drying and shopping for all material. After that, we mix 5 composition variation as shown in the figure. After the material is ready, the pyrolysis process will be carried to obtain pyrolysis oil. Then continue with distillation process to obtain the clean oil, followed by the quantity testing process in the form of volume of pyrolysis oil and distillation oil, and quality testing in the form of yield, density, viscosity, visual, and color. After the data collection process is complete, data processing is carried out the obtained conclusion, then finish. There are also ways to collect data from the study to collect data on the quantity and quality of pyrolysis oil from mixture of biomass waste of coconut fiber and rice husk with PP plastic. In this experiment, the total mass of mixture was 600 grams with the burning time 60 minutes. The ratio of biomass to PP plastic mixture which 5 variation of mixture from 0% to 100%. After the pyrolysis process, the oil was purified and measured for quantity and quality, include yield, density, viscosity, visual appearance, and color. Data were collected 3 times for each ratio, making a total of 15 samples. After obtaining data on the result of pyrolysis oil testing, then analyze data use quantitative description analysis methods. The data that has been obtained for the characteristic properties of yield, density, physical value, visual and color will then be compared with the type of fuel oil to determine the result of the value that been studied. To facilitate data analysis, the data will be made in the form of tables and graphs that will be available in the next discussion. Then we will enter the discussion of result and discussion. The result of data generated are as follow. Number 1, based on table 1, the quantity of oil from pyrolysis produce the least oil, namely the composition of 100% biomass ratio of 227.67 milli. And the mass is the composition of 100% PP plastic ratio of 616.67 milli. Number 2, seen in the table 2, the quantity of distillation oil produced the least oil, namely the composition of the ratio 75% to 25% biomass by 41 milli, and the mass is the composition of the ratio 100% PP plastic by 178 milli. Number 3, seen in the table 3, the yield produced the least, namely the composition of 100% biomass ratio of 39.72%, and the mass in the composition of 100% PP plastic ratio of 82.39%. Number 4, seen in the table 4, density produced the least, namely the composition of 100% PP plastic ratio of 846.6, and the mass, namely the composition of 100 biomassa ratio of 1158.18 milli. Number 5, seen in the table, the table 5, the viscosity produced the least composition ratio of 100 pp plastic of 0.654, and the mass composition ratio of 100 biomass of 1.586 milli. Number 6, as shown in figure 1 to 5, the data from visual color testing result in 100% PP plastic have the clearest appearance, and the 100% biomass have the cloudiest appearance. Then for the discussion, the result discussion as is follow. Number one, based on figure 6, for 60 minutes, using the volume of oil from pyrolysis of mixture of coconut fiber, biomass, and rice husk with PP plastic, we give 600 gram, burned at a temperature of 523.7 degrees Celsius. The oil produced range from 227.67 milli to 616.67 milli. This research is in line with research conducted by Zain et al. In 2019, who cite that the oil from pyrolysis of 100 PP plastic composition produce the most oil. Number two, based, based on figure 7, the volume of distillate on range from 41 to 178. The greater the PP plastic mix ratio, the more distillate oil produced. This distillation use a temperature of 135 degrees Celsius with a time of 60 minutes in accordance with the standard of gasoline oil distillation. It is known that the boiling characteristics of gasoline distillation are 40 to 150 degrees Celsius, according Rangkuti et al. In 2019. Number 3, based on figure 8, the pyrolysis oil yield value of a mixture of coconut fiber, biomass, and rice husk with PP plastic burned for 60 minutes, use temperature 523.7 degrees Celsius, produce yield of 39.72, 2.39%. This yield value is higher than the research of Mandala et al. In 2016, which produced a yield of 44% from the LDPE plastic pyrolysis process with a time 60 minutes, use temperature 400 degrees Celsius. This is in line with the statement of Sherry Maulina and Feni Sarisaputri in 2017 that the yield tends to increase as the temperature and pyrolysis time increase in the clear. Number 4, based on figure 9, according to Pertamina in 2020, the density specification of the composition of biomass variation ratio with plastic 50 to 50, 25 to 75, 0 to 100%, enter into the specification of diesel fuel oil with a density of 815 to 808 kilogram per cubic meter. The 75 variation ratio to 25% is only close to diesel fuel oil. Okay, number 5, Based on figure 10, the viscosity ratio of 100% PP plastic variation ratio has a value 0.654 GP. According Adwe et al. In 2016, state this result lead to gasoline specification which are 0.652 GP. Number 6, based on figure 1 to 5, visual and color observation we are made to determine the physical characteristic of pyrolysis oil and use to distinguish the type of fuel. Pyrolysis oil containing plastic has a clear and bright visual with a yellow color. The more plastic content in it, the oil color becomes clear. So it can be concluded from this research, effort to use unused waste among the community such as coconut fiber waste, rice husk, and PP plastic into renewable energy can be done by using the pyrolysis method, the produce oil. The best configuration of 100% PP plastic ratio has the best quantity and quality of pyrolysis oil close to the specification of gasoline fuel oil. So this is more or less the presentation I can give. More or less apologize. Thank you.